Hi, I'm Robert McLaughlin from Electrical and HVAC Training Center. I'm here today with SupplyHouse to review some plastic weatherproof boxes for your house. We've all seen different options on how to install a receptacle onto a house. We have surface mounted boxes, those are solutions and they work. But you also have the option of customizing it and building it into your siding. So siding could be vinyl siding, it could be hardy board, it could be stucco and stone. So how do you choose which boxes to use for the installation? When choosing your boxes, you choose it based upon where you're going to be installing it. If you're installing it onto a masonry finish to a house, then you have to choose the box that's listed for that purpose. So this particular option here is for masonry installations. If you are working with potentially a hardy board or a flat surface, you can use this because this particular model installs directly onto a flat surface. But maybe you have vinyl siding, and with vinyl siding, you can utilize this style. This style is made for vinyl siding. So when it's installed, it goes in during the construction. Allows us to get the box in position before the siding goes on, so that when they side, they can side directly up to the framing that was provided with the box. Some key features to go over about the boxes is that each of the boxes can handle 2 devices. I should point out that on the outside, just as required by the National Electrical Code, it has to be extra duty, and it is listed here on the cover. As we open it, you'll notice that there's a setup for installing 2 devices. So if it's 2 receptacles, 2 switches, but maybe it's more than that. Maybe it's a receptacle and low voltage. You have sound or AV, or you have some type of a low voltage wire. It comes with a divider to separate the low voltage and the line voltage. By placing it in, you create the physical barrier that's required by the National Electrical Code. So looking for a solution to put in the boxes for your outdoor receptacles, this here is a great option. This here could go in and fit very nice with your siding, whether it's masonry, stucco, vinyl siding, there's an option for everybody. So please look out for more videos on plastic boxes.